Hello, my name is Kevin Holland. I'm a clinical imaging specialist with GE Healthcare.
This video will review monitor positioning for the OEC CFD. The monitor is mounted on an articulating arm and viewable from all four sides of the C-arm. Position the monitor by crossing the articulating arm above and within the C-arm footprint. There is 210 degrees of swivel at the mainframe and 180 degrees of swivel at the center arm. The monitor has up and down or vertical travel of 40 centimeters. 180 degree image display monitor swivel, and even a 5 degree or 25 degree downward tilt. Go ahead and transition the monitor to the other side of the system.
Be mindful of the position of the OEC CFD touch control panel during monitor movement.
The monitor itself is a 4K 27-inch or 69cm ultra-high definition color 10-bit display.
The monitor also has a lock on the back of the system. Counterclockwise will unlock, clockwise will lock the height of the monitor.
Thanks for watching!
Check out our other videos on C-arm chips for rad techs.